Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. And today we will be seeing a very simple 4 o'clock dish, Nanderbalae kelya seer bhajili or ghee roasted Nendran banana. Now it is very easy to prepare and you can prepare it in a jiffy. Now Nanderbalae kelya seer bhajili is a 4 o'clock dish easily prepared for children. Since Nanderbalae is a rich source of nutrients and energy when compared to other varieties of banana, it can be given to children when they come home after a hectic day at school or after playing in the garden. And I already told you that it is a very simple and easy to prepare dish and it can be prepared in a jiffy. The taste is excellent and yummy and your children will have this healthy dish again and again. Now coming to the ingredients. Number of ripe Nanderbalae kelya or Nendran banana, ghee as required, that is 3 to 4 drops for one slice of banana, and sugar for sprinkling on the top. Now peel the banana and cut it lengthwise as shown. It should be of thin slices and 2 to 3 inch long. Heat a tawa and spread the pieces on it as shown. Sprinkle ghee both above and below the pieces, and if you want to add it below the pieces, what you can do is you can gently slide and give through the sides of the banana. Allow the pieces to roast till golden brown on a low flame. After one side is done, turn to the other side. Then take a plate and spread sugar on it. When both the sides of the banana are roasted, you can transfer the pieces to a plate onto which sugar has been spread so that the sugar sticks to the first layer of the banana. Again sprinkle some sugar on top of the first layer of banana when they are hot. Now place the second layer on top of the first layer and sprinkle some sugar on top of this layer. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the pieces. Your Nanderbalae kelya seer bhajili or ghee roasted Nendran banana is ready to be served. Now tips. So you see that you either use some old tawa for roasting the banana. That is, do not use the one in which you are using to prepare the dosha. Because since you are adding ghee to the banana and roasted ghee and juice of the banana will make a sticky burnt residue on the tawa and will not come out of the tawa easily even after washing. So it's better you go for an old tawa for roasting the banana. Then next point I would like to tell you is that see that you keep stacking one layer of roasted banana over the other and do not forget to add sugar between each layer. So that's it about Nanderbalae kelya seer bhajili. It is very easy dish and do try it out. Watching my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.